Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Saturday. I'm sitting here using these beads right here, the hand painted beads, and I'm using some smaller dyed shell beads, these right here. And using these, they take a little bit longer to bead on the stretch cord. So I didn't videotape it. It just takes forever, and I just sat here just kind of taking my time because I was using the smaller beads. So what I was doing is mixing those small beads with the bigger bead to basically see what it would come out looking like, and to also use these dice beads to see what they would look like. And because the dice beads are plastic, you almost got to kind of be careful because when you make something, it can come out looking kiddish. So I found out, like, if I mix other beads, like the different beads like this, with these type of beads, it comes out looking more adultish. It don't look as kiddish. And I really liked the way it came out. And then I went ahead and made, which is what I had planned to do when I bought these beads initially, was to make charms out of these beads. So this is one of the charms that I made. And I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and use the beads and then see what a bracelet would look like. So this is a smaller bracelet, like a six or 6.5 inch wrist. So this is for a smaller one. And I'm gonna just leave it like this. I meant to do it this small. I didn't want to make it any bigger. And then I went ahead and put some of the wood beads back down here, and then one of the bigger beads that has a bigger hole, so I can go ahead and hide that stretch cord. But I do like the way it came out. I mean, it's really cute. Oh, and then I mixed it with some black vinyl beads and went ahead and used those for spacers. And this is what I got for this one. And then this one, the little bitty smaller beads, the dyed stone beads I used on this. And then we have, I'll probably have to do a smaller jump ring because it's sliding. So depending on how it's moved, it's sliding. But this is another one of the dice charms. So I'm gonna make more of the charms and use them on some different bracelets because I really like the way they look. And then this is how this bracelet came out. So I used some of the 8mm wood beads, and these came already painted. I didn't paint these. And then some of the rondelle spacers, one of the protective eye beads. They call them evil eye, but protective eye beads. And then of course these two of these clay beads. I think these are the clay beads. So two of those, and then one of the big beads right here. And then this is what this came out looking like. And see how it's sliding down. So I'm gonna have to make a smaller jump ring to put the charm on, because I don't want it sliding like that. So it needs to stay up here. That's where it needs to stay at. But because the jump ring is bigger than the beads, it slides down. I really like the way these look. These are really cute. I mean, just like really cute and easy to wear. Really like the way they came out. A lot of color to them. And oh, and on the side, I went ahead and put two big glass beads. Those 10mm. And then this is what they came out looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish. I got three more of these beads that I painted. I am gonna paint some more of them and do them in like some other colors. They'll still be brighter colors, but like some different colors. I think these came with they unfinished wood beads, and I think I got 30 of these beads in a bag. And I'm gonna try to paint them all. I don't know when, but I'm gonna try to get them all painted. But I am gonna paint a couple more of them tonight. And then this is what these look like. And then I've been painting some other beads all day and just kind of doing some stuff around here all day. Made some other pieces, and I didn't videotape those. Just didn't feel like it because I didn't feel like talking. And sometimes I just don't feel like talking. Sometimes I don't feel like, doing the whole editing and putting the music to it and doing all that kind of stuff. So sometimes I just don't tape it all. I'll just go ahead and sit here and create and make stuff, and that's all there is, and ain't no more. But in this case, with these, I went ahead and I didn't videotape it because the beads are so small. Especially these right here. It just takes forever to be beaten, these little beads right here. But I do like the way these bracelets came out. But anyway, I hope everybody is having a good weekend. Have a really good day tomorrow, Sunday. I hope you guys are spending time with family, eating up some good food, getting some rest, and all that good stuff. Because guess what? Monday will be here before we know it for those of us who have a regular job. Okay? It just don't stop. And it's already Saturday, so before we know it, everybody be back on the grind. But anyway, we'll talk.